Hello and welcome to this module on the introduction to the Evaluate DM Channels process. This process involves evaluating various digital marketing channels to determine their relevance to and effectiveness for achieving the performance targets for digital marketing. Given the wide variety and large number of options available to a company to utilize digital marketing, it's not an easy process to determine the best options. SM Study's Digital Marketing Evaluation and Improvement Tool, described in detail in this process, helps companies overcome this difficulty. It provides a structured way for companies to consider their digital marketing processes and then helps them to quantitatively and qualitatively evaluate digital marketing channels. In addition, it acts as a guide for improving each element of a company's digital marketing strategy and describes how to measure improvements. The outputs of this process are the selected digital marketing channels with their allocated budgets and targets, as well as an understanding of potential future scenarios that may impact a product or brand's performance. This figure shows the inputs, tools, and outputs for the Evaluate DM Channels process. With that, we end this video. Thank you for learning with us.